guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marie and I'm so glad that you clicked on today's video. Today we'll be making my healthy version of protein Snickers bars. It is so delicious. I promise you guys are going to love it, and especially if you are trying to up your protein of the day, this is a great way of doing that. If you like this video and if you want to see more videos like this from me, please give it a big thumbs up. It will really help my channel out a lot. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I do post so many healthy recipes on here. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. The first thing that we are going to do is put a parchment paper into the pan that we will be using, and this will already be ready for when we need to put our mixture in here. We are first going to start working on the bottom layer, and to do so you want to get yourself a large mixing bowl. You are going to need 1 cup of almond flour, half a cup of quick oats, half a cup of vanilla protein powder, 1/3 cup of maple syrup, and a 1/4 cup of unsweetened vanilla almond milk. Today I want to talk to you guys about the protein powder that I will be using in today's video, and it is by Teamy Blends. Thank you guys so much for collaborating with me on today's video. Every scoop has 17 grams of plant protein. It's organic, vegan, non-GMO, and it's dairy and soy free. I do have a coupon code that will save you 20% off. It is MarieC20, and I will have my affiliate link down below in the description box if you guys are interested in checking it out. So now let's go ahead and start making our bottom layer. We are going to add the almond flour, the quick oats, the protein powder. By the way, did I mention that this protein powder tastes so good? They do have 3 different flavors that you can choose from, but for this recipe I would recommend using vanilla protein powder. Here is the maple syrup and the almond milk. Now let's go ahead and mix this all up with a wooden spoon until it becomes kind of tacky. Let's go ahead and take that pan that we already prepared earlier, and we are going to firmly press this into the bottom. Now we are going to put this in the freezer for 20 minutes so that it can harden, and while we wait, we're going to get started with our caramel layer. Now let's go ahead and get started with my favorite part, and that is the caramel layer. And the star of the show to make this is actually 1.5 cups of dates. You want to make sure to let these soak in hot water for at least 10 minutes, and then you are going to drain them, and then you are left with some soft dates that are ready to be used. Next, you are going to need 3 tablespoons of peanut butter. And the last thing is half a cup of peanuts. To make this, we will be using a food processor, but you can also use a mixer like a NutriBullet. So I'm just going to transfer the dates and the peanut butter into here. Now we're going to put the date and peanut mixture into the raw peanuts that we have here, and then we're just gonna give it a stir. I just took out the bottom part out of the freezer. Now we are just going to transfer this right on top, and once again you are going to firmly press it down. Okay, so this is what it should look like. It's already smelling so good and I'm so excited to eat it. Now I'm going to put this back in the freezer for another hour so it just all hardens. So yeah, I will see you guys soon. It has been an hour since the last time I spoke to you, so it is time to move on to the next step, which is making the chocolate coating of the bars. So I have here a half cup of dark chocolate that I melted, and I also added in 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. You just want to give that a good mix. And now it's going to be time to take out the bars from the freezer. So they got hard, so that is perfect. To cut up the bars, what I like to do is just completely take this out and then open this up. And then what I'll do is I'll cut up the bars right in here. You can really have fun and decide what shape you like to cut them in. I basically tried to replica these Snickers bars, so kind of long, skinny rectangles. And then I'll just cut them once down the middle. So I have here a pan with parchment paper on top. I have my bars and my melted chocolate. So now we are going to basically, honestly for this part, I like to use my hands just because it's much easier, but you can also use a fork. So I will just take a bar and just basically do a nice coating of chocolate all around it. So once you are done doing this, you are going to place them back in the freezer for another 15 minutes and then they will be ready to eat. I am so excited. And there you have it, healthy protein Snickers bars. They might not be very aesthetically pleasing because they are a little bit messy, but trust me, they are so good, and of course such a healthier alternative to your regular Snickers bars. I really hope you guys try these out. Let me know if you do and if you enjoyed them. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and of course don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll just catch you in the next one. Bye.